Today is Wednesday, 1st of June 2022. This is the trade session review for the first day of June. So when I come to the chart about 5 p.m. ish, this is what I see. We're going to change to let's change to line chart to see our SNR level and do the marking for the SNR level. So first of all, I mark this resistance level at 146, about 146. Next, I was marking this level up here, which is about 152. And then I look down here. Seems to be a lot of room to go down for gold today, so I mark this level at 115. And actually I was quite contemplating to mark this one. I did mark this level also, 132ish, this level, because this is a support become resistant and then it break again, resistance becomes support. So this can be a how to say, a significant level where price will react later. So we done at H4, then we move to H1. In H1 we are looking at a candlestick chart, and we start to mark our SND level. Price is here, so we don't have to mark all this very high above, just this level. I'll mark this level as well. This is the supply zone, and I want to mark this level because potentially price will go bearish and go to this level. So when I do my analysis this evening, I mark that. So here are my level, and immediately, as you can see, I have this bearish engulfing almost like a bearish engulfing candle, rejection to this zone and going down here. And we go to M15 to find our trade entry. So this is 5 o'clock. Move one more candle. So this is exactly what I see when I come to the chart. So what I did is I placed a sell short here at this level, because this is a drop zone. So I put my stop here, something like that, and I was trying to target this. This is a huge target actually, 1 to 5 if it's play out. So I was expecting price to go bearish today, because if we look at the daily chart, the H4 is the H4 at that time was bearish. You see, this is because this kind of put out later. Okay, so as you can see here, is all bearish, and then at that time daily candle was bearish as well. Before that, previously the daily candle was bearish, and at that time the daily candle was also bearish, and obviously H1 was bearish. So I am very confident to take the sell. So I took a sell on M15. I did actually place two trade. One is at the something like this, to trade at 50% of this one, and yeah, I make a trade something like this. So this is my first trade, and I placed the trade, and yeah, this trade is running. So I went to the gym, let it run, price do its thing, and then it actually it triggered the second trade because I put a little bit lower than here. So this is how the first trade is, and then I let it run because I decided not to manage the trade. There's at one point I remember seeing this trade going about $60, and boom, when New York opened, right, 8:15, the candle print out, and it I did not set break even. I'm just gonna let it run all the way to the TP target. So this candle print out, and then boom, the next candle just rip to the top and take the stop. So this trade is this first trade, and I lose $200 on the first trade. Then I took the second trade. Second trade is at up here. So yeah, second trade is I took the second trade here at the SBR level for this one. So if you go to higher time frame, the SBR level is very clear over here. I took there's also a bearish engulfing candle here on H1, so I took the second trade there, something like this. And I remember I'm putting my stop above this zone to be safe. And I think I was aiming, let me see where was I also aim at the bottom zone. So I still aim at the lower zone over here, this one. And as you can see, immediately this trade doesn't goes very well. Price tap to this zone and break up, and boom, it goes down a little bit and immediately break above this high. So this supply zone is also gone. So I have 2 loss for the night already. So I bit hesitate to take the last trade. So I wait for the price to do its thing. So when this thing happened, actually the price tapped the how to say, the 50% of this bearish engulfing candle. I supposed to take this trade, but I kind of lost confidence after I have 2 consecutive stop over here and here, which is going, this trade was long, but this one was very fast. So I wait for this bearish candle to print, and I take the trade. And then my third trade is something like this. I wait for this bearish pin bar to print, and I place my stop above this bearish engulfing candle, and I'm still targeting this support level over here. So this is my third trade now. It's still running in profit at the moment, and of course I'm not gonna do anything about it. The only thing I want to consider is, should I target this TP level, which just gonna give me about 2R versus this one. I already lost 2 trade here, which the second trade I lost, let me see, I lost $89. So I lost close to 300 for the night. So I'm thinking, if this play out as it should be, price should go all the way to this support level over here, because all these are clean candle except for this one, right? This is the demand zone that might have but it's already been cleared here. So I would let this trade run and let it play out until tomorrow morning, because it's already 11:19 p.m. It's almost bedtime to me, and I'll probably move this to a little bit higher, maybe like before this level, so that yeah, probably around here, 1817 or 18 I would say 1818 over here. I'll move the TP target to 1818. That should give quite a good 1 to 4 risk reward ratio to compensate for our loss that we took over here. So I still have a bearish bias for gold, for it to continue to do its thing, probably all overnight, and maybe tomorrow morning it do this thing like it done before. then it is let it, you just let it do what it's supposed to do, like this one. So in the morning it continue to go bearish, and yep. So that's the analysis for today. It's two losing trade, but making it a set and forget trading system is very convenient and peaceful. I don't have to deal with a lot of emotion trying to manage the trade and feel regret if I close the trade too early, or um, get too anxious when the trade go against me. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow, and bye bye.